Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today for a very quick video. I'm going to be making a dish, well, what they call in America commonly is pigs in a blanket. Now usually pigs in a blanket are made with small, like little cocktail sized frankfurts, but I happen to have these enormous bloody bits of cabana that I just bought on a whim at the shop a few days ago. Look, I nearly wasn't even going to make a video today, except a short video to apologise for not doing a cooking video this week. Been rushed off my feet, lots of stuff going on, so this is really going to be a, a super quick one. And basically what I'm using is, I saw I had these in the fridge, thought I'd better use them. And I've only got a very small fridge and a very, very small freezer compartment, and I've got this leftover puff pastry, and it's just annoying the hell out of me every time I open my freezer. It's just getting in the way, and so yeah, that's all I'm going to be using today. Like I say, quick and easy. Alrighty guys, so yeah, I've defrosted my sheets of pastry there. Now I've just roughly cut one sheet here into 4 strips like so. I'm going to take one of my pieces of cabana here. I think I'm gonna, because pig in a blanket, like I said, is usually little short bits of sausage, and this is such a whopper, I might call this feral pig in a blanket. How's that sound? Alright, anyway, whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna very roughly leaving a bit of end exposed here. I'm going to get my pastry and just start wrapping it around, and I'm just going to work my way along, sort of overlapping, almost sort of on a diagonal like so as I go along. Get another bit, join that one up, and just keep the same sort of pattern going. That diagonal, and again I'm just going to leave the end bit sticking out like so. Alright, and once I've got my 3 feral pigs there rolled up, ready to go, I've got a bit of an egg wash here. I'm just going to wash on top of that pastry. Now I'm an Aussie, you can't have sort of sausage type meat and pastry without sprinkling a few sesame seeds on top. I'm going to preheat my oven to about 160 degrees Celsius, and we're going to whack them in there and give them a good cook till they're nice and that pastry's nice and golden. Alrighty guys, so as promised, very, very quick and easy, very simple as you saw. Like I say, I was just using up a couple of things in my fridge and freezer and whack them together. We've made a, I guess, a retro American thing, just turbocharged a bit. But it still looks really, really good, and I'm just going to pick one up and give it a try. It's still a bit hot. Ooh, we'll see how we go. That cooked for about 35 minutes, or maybe closer to 40, not quite sure, can't But anyway, let's give it a bite. Pretty nice. Yummo, actually. Especially if you like cabana. Obviously, if you don't like cabana, you could substitute, you know, like I said, hot dogs, Kranskis. I mean, let's face it. On my channel here, it doesn't get much easier than this. And, yeah, I'd make no apologies for that. Sometimes you just whip something up really quick. And I just really, I like the look of them. They look good to me. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching this one, short one. Thanks to all you people who subscribe to my channel, long-term subscribers, new subscribers. You're all very much appreciated. Thanks so much. If you're new to my videos and you're not a subscriber, can I ask that you hit that subscription button? That'd be great. It really helps out my channel no end if you could do that little thing for me. There's no costs or obligation on your part. It just, like I say, does me a solid. Alrighty guys, I will see you all next time.